like, holy schmolians, Batman. This thing is kicking our heinies. Empty out my pockets. And these will all be clean. I just blow in them to flip them inside out. Or right side out. Right side out, inside out, backwards, forwards. I do try to make sure they're not all greasy. Normally take them off a little more organized. Just kidding. That's a total fabrication of the story. Total fabrication. Nothing organized about the way I take gloves on and off. Except that they are coated, I normally put them in the trash. These were not. We did pretty good yesterday. Not too bad. And to go buy a set of reducers. Yeah, that reducer seen better days right there. And a 16, look at that. 16 millimeter Craftsman. I'm not trying to sound callous, but who worries about those left behind? You know what I mean? Here you have some employees that have been with the company over 20 years. And, well, they were quite happy. Quite happy. And I think it's important to tell your boss when you are happy, especially sole proprietorships, make sure you let your boss know that you are just totally extremely happy, because, you know, in the end, that's the only reason he had the business. So he wanted happy employees. He wanted a bigger family, basically. Yeah, I guess kind of like, you know, my YouTube family, you guys. Thanks for watching.